Hello, Jai Bole to all the students. Welcome back to Mathematics Fun. We are moving with the questions related to the chapter number 2, whole numbers, standard 6, NCERT textbook, Mathematics. Moving with the question number 11, study the pattern. And what will be the next step is we have to find out. So now if we go through the pattern, you can observe keenly if it is written 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. The very next step they have written 1 2 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 9 8. So what is increasing? See, the number 1 here was there, it has become now 1 and 2. The very next number 2 after 1 has been written. And here instead of 1 the 2 is added, and here the number in the decreasing order 9 and 8 has been written. Then if we have to go for the next step, we can see we can write 1 2 and 3. It is as it is increasing in the pattern. The 8 is remaining as it is, plus this is also increasing. Here it was 1, here it was 2, here it will be 3, equal to, here it's in decreasing, so we get as 9 8 7. Now if we go through the observations options, so 1 2 3 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 9 8 7. So the option A will be the correct answer. Now moving on to the 12th one, number of whole numbers between 38 and 68. See here, it's a conception based question. Many a student always make mistake here, so please observe this keenly. Whenever you have been asked with the in between numbers, what the student do is student just minus the bigger number with the smallest, and they get 0, they get 30, and they write that there are 30 whole numbers between these numbers. But this is not the correct one. The correct one is, after subtracting the last digit with the initial digit, we have to again subtract one more number with this. So this becomes 10, this becomes 2. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 2 as it is, that is 29. So there are total 29 numbers in between 38 and 68. Why it has happened so? Because whenever we are subtracting this 68 from 38, it has included the last number also. That is why we got 30. And when we start with the in between in 38, we are subtracting, so in between it is starting with the 39. But if we got answer as 30, it has included 68. But we do not want the number 68 because we need to find in between 38 and 68. So we have to subtract 1, that is the 68 digit again with the answer, and we got 29 numbers in between these two numbers. If you have any confusion, again you can cross check our answer. If you have to write in between these two numbers, you can write from the 39 to 67 and you can count them off that how many numbers are there, right? Moving on to the question number 13. The value of 25 into 20 into 5. 25 into 20 into 5. What is the easiest way? You have already solved the exercise question. Then the easiest way is just take the two numbers, either 20 into 5 or 25 into 5. And then what you have to identify is just the ones digit of the first number wherever the 2 or 3 digits are there. Multiply with the number 5, whatever the third number is there, and then try to identify in which case you are getting unit place as 0. See, if I here take 0 and 5. So 0 multiplied by 5, it will be 0. Here if I take 5 into 5, it will be 25. So on the first one, this number I am getting the unit place as 0. Why am I doing this thing? This thing I am doing because we need to simplify the answer. We need to simplify our calculations. Now, if I multiply 20 into 5, if you remember the table of 20, you can directly see that 25 is 100 and this 25 as it is. Okay, we have multiplied this too. Now, don't sit and try to multiply 25 with the 100. Just do the simple thing. The number 1 is here. Just multiply 25 with them. We know any number multiplying with 1 is the same number. So 25 ones are 25. Now what has happened? What has remained? The 2 zeros. Just put up this 2 zeros. So our solution has been done. We have got 2500. So for the question number 13, we have the answer as option C, 2500. Moving on to the question number 14. Value of 0 divided by 5. Okay. 0 divided by 5. It means what? 5 will be the outside, 0 will be here. Now what has to be done? It's already 0. Right. So, we also know that any number multiplied with 0 is also 0. Okay, so just put up here 5 zeros are 0. Again getting the 0. We have shown the solution. We got the quotient as 0. So, it means what? So, answer is 0. So, value of 0 divided by 5 is 0. But always remember that 0 divided by any number is always 0, right? 0 divided by any number is 0, but any number divided by 0 is not defined. Right? You cannot divide any number by 0. It is not defined because division is what? Division is the equal partition of the things from the total things. If the total thing is only 0, then how can you divide it into the equal parts, right? So any number divided by 0 is not defined, but whenever you try to divide 0 by the other numbers, it will give you answer as 0. Moving on to the 15th one. If 36 flats cost 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crores. Okay. If 36 flats cost 6 crore 82 lakhs 51,500, what is the cost of each flat? Total cost is there. Total number of flat is also there. You need to identify cost for the one flat. So what will you do is you will be dividing the total cost with the total number of flats. Okay. So what will be the answer? Okay, now 36. If we take one digit, it can't be done because 6 is less than 36. We will go for the 2 digit. It is 68. Now 36 ones are 36. 36 twos are 72. So 72 is again greater than 68. So we will be moving with 36 ones are 36 minus 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 3. Again this 2 comes down. Now it has become greater number, so we need to go further. So 36 into 3, 108. 36 into 4, 144. 36 into 5, 180. 36 into 6, 216. 36 into 7, 252. 36 into 8, 288. 36 into 9, 324. And 36 into 10 is 360. Okay, so 36 nines are 324, again greater than 322, so we will be going with 8. So 36 eights are 288. Now we can't subtract this, so it will give him carry, so this becomes 12. Now here it's 1, it will again take carry, so here it's 2 and it will become 11. Now 12 minus 8 is 4, 11 minus 8 is 3. Now taking this 5 down, 345. So 360 is greater and 9s are 324. So 189, 324. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, this is 0. Again, this one is coming down. If you want to go further, you can go. Else what? If you cross check the options, initial numbers 189, only option D has that number, rupees 1895875, right? So you can directly go with the option D. If you have the two options with the similar initial number, here it's 189, here also you got 189, then go for the further calculation. Else you can directly opt for your answer here. Moving further with the question number 16. The predecessor of 1 lakh is. Okay, the predecessor of 1 lakh is. How can we write the 1 lakh? We write 1 lakh as 1 and 5 times 0. Now the predecessor of that means minus 1. Okay, 1 lakh minus 1, so this can't be subtracted, so it will be taking carry from here. This become 10, then this 10, then 9, then this gives this 10, this becomes 9, this gives this 10, this becomes 9, and that 10. And 10 minus 1 is 9. Here it's 9, here it's 9, 9, 9 and 0. So what we got? We got as 5 times 9. And 5 times 9 means the greatest 5 digit number, and we have been given with this in the option B. So the predecessor of 1 lakh is 99,999. Moving with the 17th one. What is the predecessor of natural number 1? Now see student, the question is related to the natural number. And natural number starts from where? It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If the natural number is starting from the 1, and if we want to find the predecessor of 1, predecessor of 1 means 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 is not a natural number, it's a whole number, it is not a natural number. Okay, so predecessor of natural number 1 is 0, 0 is not a natural number, so we can say that does not exist. Predecessor of natural number 1 does not exist. Instead of this, if you have been asked with the predecessor of whole number 1, then you can go for the 0. But here we have asked with the natural numbers, so predecessor of 1 in the natural number does not exist. Moving on to the next question, question number 18. the number of distinct prime factors of largest 4-digit number is. So here first we will be writing the largest 4-digit number. So the largest 4-digit number is equal to 4 times 9, and number of distinct prime factors. Now moving before with the prime factors, we should know that what are the prime numbers. So the prime numbers are the numbers which are coming in the table of itself or else at the table of 1, and the number does not come into the any other table. So the numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. These are the prime numbers, and 2 is the only even prime numbers. Okay, now we need to identify the prime factors of the largest 4-digit numbers. Distinct means different, unique ones. Now for that we need to find the LCM, lowest common multiples. Now 999. Okay, 999 will not be divided by 2. It will be divided by 3. Yes, in the 3's table 9 comes, so it will be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again it will be not divisible by 3. So, not divisible by 2. We will be dividing it by 3. So 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now 1 1 1 will not come in table of 2, 3, 5, 7. 11 it will be there. 11s are. Let us try to divide it. 11, 11, 11. 11 ones are 11. So 0, 0. Only 1 has been here. But 1 can't be divided by. We would want another 1 should be down. But for that, if we need to take 2 numbers at a time, we need to add up 0 over here. And then 1. Again 11 ones are 11. What we got is 1 0 1. So 1 0 1. Because why I have taken 101 at that? Because 101 is again a prime number. It comes only in the table of itself, nothing else. Okay, so what we got here as the prime factors of 4 times 9 are 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Now we need to identify the distinct one, the unique one. So here we got 3, 11 and 101. So there are total 3 distinct prime factors of the largest 4-digit number 3, 11, 101. So we will be going with the option B, as there are 3 different numbers in the prime factors of the largest 4-digit number. Moving on to the question number 19. The value of 0 multiplied by 7 is. So the value of 0 multiplied by 7 will be 0. Because why? Because any number multiplied with 0 results 0. Okay. Any number when multiplied with 0, it results in 0. Now, subtraction of whole number is. Subtraction of whole numbers. You can take any 2 numbers, subtract them, is dosed. Dosed is nothing a word in the mathematics, right? Second is associative. What do you mean by associative? Right? First understand that thing. Associative means what? You have something like that. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Means if we see in the numeric form, suppose we are taking the whole numbers. 1, 2 and 3 I have taken 1 plus 2. Here A represent 1, B represent 2 and C represent 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 here. So first we solve the brackets. So 3 plus 3 here 1 plus 5. 3 plus 3 is 6 is equal to 1 plus 5 is also a 6. So it is satisfying the associative property with addition. This is the associative property. Right. But will it be done with the subtraction? Let us see. 1 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3. So 1 minus 2 minus 3. So here we will subtract the number as it is plus and minus and take the bigger number sign, that is minus 1, and here is minus 3 equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3 is again minus 1. Now minus and minus will be done plus, but the sign will remain minus. So here we got minus 4, here we got minus, this minus and this minus get plus. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So here we can say both the sides answer are not same. It means it will not be dose, it will not be commutative. Associative. Now the commutative means what? A plus B. Commutative means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Means 1 plus 2 should be equal to 2 plus 1. So 3 is equal to 3. It is having in the addition, but we need to find with the subtraction part. So let us take the other numbers for A and B, A minus B and B minus A. We need to prove. What if I take A as 3 and this as 2? So B is 2 minus 3 equal to, what happens? Now 3 minus 2 is 1, and here 2 minus 3, so bigger number sign, plus and minus will be minus. So 3 minus 2 is 1, but the bigger number sign is minus 1. So here we get plus 1, here we get minus 1. It is not equal. So commutative will also be not possible here. So what we have left with? We have left with none of this. So the subtraction of the whole number is not associative, not commutative. Okay, so we will be going with the none of this option. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you and have a nice day to all.